Ornelas has done a poor job in helping.
Problems facing the court right now are the millions and millions of dollars of unpaid fines. There's no solution right now. Nothing has been done. That's why one of the items I'm bringing to the table is an amnesty program. Other jurisdictions in Texas have used this program, and they have been able to recover millions of dollars of unpaid fines. Also, poor customer service right now. Just because you're charged with a crime or a violation does not mean you shouldn't be treated like a person. I'm going to treat every person that walks into that courtroom with respect, dignity, and take care of them as quickly as possible. Everyone has a job to do. Everyone's taking time to come to the court, and we're going to make sure that they get their service that they deserve.
Thank you, Mr. Wise. We go to Mr. Garcia. You have 30 seconds to respond.
Yes, Mr. Ornelas, even though he was elected to the court, is rarely there. As far as I know, he also collects taxes. That's what's on his envelope. He's doing 2 jobs at one time. If I'm elected, I will leave my private practice to be a full-time judge and do as good a job as I can. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. Ms. Lopez-Escoto, you have 30 seconds.
Judge Ornelas has been a fine judge, but he has been a part-time judge. I intend, as your next municipal court judge, to be a full-time judge and not have a private practice. I intend to have court in the mornings, in the afternoons, and with the assistance of City Council, why not a night court? We are there to serve the public. The public will be served when we improve technology, when you can pay your tickets from the comfort of your own home, when we can improve customer service so you don't have to wait long lines.
Thank you for your response. We go to Mr. Caballero and 30 seconds.
There's a lot of things at municipal court that work very well. If I'm elected, there are 4 points which I am promoting in order to improve the court. One of those, the first one would be that with the changes to credit card policies, we revisit online payments. The second would be a live docket system which needs to be implemented. The third is an education program, and the fourth is that we need to begin steps to establish our own municipal jail.
Thank you, Mr. Caballero. As we go to Ms. Cuellar Castillo for 30 seconds as well.
I'm just looking forward to the future. I want to improve municipal court. I will improve municipal court through better customer service, through better technology. I will improve it through better, I will monitor outstanding fines regularly. I want to create a teen court. I have vowed since day one to be a full-time judge with no private practice or any outside employment.
Thanks for all your answers. Time.
Blur your judgment and lead to favors in those cases that involve attorneys.
Not only do I have the respect and support of my colleagues, but I have the respect and support of many volunteers. I've worked in the trenches. I have been a prosecutor. I've been a defense attorney. I've handled thousands of cases, and never once has there been a complaint filed against me. The integrity of this court is at stake. We need an experienced and qualified attorney who will listen to every citizen that comes before that court with impartiality. There are no favorites. I'm not a politician. I don't come from a political family, and I don't have a political machine behind me.
Thank you, Ms. Lopez-Escoto. As we go to Mr. Caballero in 30 seconds.
I have no knowledge of who Mrs. Escoto's backers are. I would just say that I know there are attorneys that are backing all candidates. As far as experience goes, I have presided over thousands of cases at the municipal court. Untarnished reputations, I have one. You know, as far as favoritism, we play no favoritism. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Caballero. As we go to Ms. Cuellar Castillo, you have 30 seconds.
I also have the backing of many attorneys. In fact, some of them have told me that that's why they're voting for me, because they truly believe I will be a full-time judge. I'm also blessed to have the cross-section support from many people, from stay-at-home moms, blue-collar hard workers, teachers, business professionals, and teachers. But I will treat all attorneys who will appear before me fair and justly.
Thank you so much. As we go to Mr. Wise, 30 seconds to respond.
I also have support of my fellow attorneys, and I also have support from other members in the community, teachers, law enforcement, stay-at-home moms. I'm the type of attorney who is a team player in my office, and I'm always the person who people come to whenever they need advice or bounce off opinions. And as your next judge, I will treat everyone, no matter who they are, equally.
Thank you, Mr. Wise. As we go to Mr. Garcia tonight.
Yes, I do have people supporting me from the legal community, other attorneys. they think I can do a good job. As I stated before, this is not a popularity contest. It's not how many signs you can put up. It's not how rich you are to spend for commercial spots and putting up signs. That's not the thing. I have the integrity and the experience to make a good judge for you, and I'm giving you a choice, someone who doesn't owe favors.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Garcia. Some great answers.